My name is John Lapine II. I am the Vice President of GARR Tool Company. GARR Tool was founded in 1944 by my grandfather. Everything that we do currently is solid carbide round shank tooling. We sell all throughout the world. Our claim to fame has always been inventory. If it's in our catalog, it's in stock. We're producing somewhere between 10 and 15,000 pieces every day. Because we so focused on stock, making sure we have inventory. That inventory has to be the same this year, next year, the year after, making sure that the quality is consistent. For our industry, ZOLLER is a household name. There's only a few players in this game that could do what ZOLLER does. I met Werner at IMTS, I think it was 2014, and we started looking at the Genius at that point. After we had a couple of years of that one, it was the next Genius 4, and then it was Micro, and then the Titan. Werner and I had many conversations on struggles we were having with specifically measuring the edge hone. Werner was instrumental in talking about the Titan and that it would be coming at some point. ZOLLER was willing to put it here. They could have put it anywhere. This new product mix that we just came out with, what we call an X and G series. We needed the ZOLLER Titan to do what we're doing. The edge hone that we're dialing that into in the microns. We have the palm. The palm works. I can measure the edge hone, I can look at it that way, but I have a human error touch. Is he right on the line? Is he perfect where it should be? How much time did he spend it? The Titan takes that question out, automatically rotates that right around, I get my edge hone, I know exactly what this is. The Titan was instrumental in getting it here for this new series of tooling.
Trevor Leonard, quality control. I've been at the company for 20 years. I've been adjusted into the quality control part of it, especially with the ZOLLER implementation. There's almost nothing that you cannot check on a tool with the ZOLLER Titan. Rakes, cores, you can check individual teeth. When you're trying to keep tolerances in microns instead of tenths and thousandths, I don't really know how we would do it without a ZOLLER. We probably would not be able to do this without the parametric programming, because every one of our tools has an individual file designed specifically for that tool. If we decide to rein in our tolerances even more, we'd have to go through 10,000 files and make those adjustments. With parametric programming, I can go into the Excel program, I can edit the equation, I can upload it into the ZOLLER Titan or Genius or Micro. Within 5 hours, I can completely delete the database and reinstall 10,000 programs.
ZOLLER is allowing us to take what we've always said, our quality was here. We're taking it to here. We're now becoming more consistent, more dialed in. Our plan is that GARR Tool will be here in another 80 years. As ZOLLER continues to grow, adapt new technologies, and we're growing and adapting new technologies, I believe that we'll both grow together.